Hi, I'm Joe, and I live with my cat Macchou. Macchou hasn't shown up yet. I usually cook dishes from around the world, based on viewers' requests. Today is my birthday, so I'm making something packed with all my favorites. Miso cheese ramen and birthday ice cream cake. And I got myself a birthday present, a brand new hot plate. Those of you who watch my live streams know, whenever I cook on the stove, you can barely see anything. With this, I can cook right up close, so you can see everything. Though it turned out I still need the stove for some parts. Anyway, it's such a beautiful hot plate. It even comes with different plates. I can't wait to try them all. Let's make miso cheese ramen. First, I'm adding 6 chicken drumlets to the pot. Any meat you like works great too. Grate a piece of ginger and add it in. Garlic works too, or both, whatever you like. Add some shredded cabbage. Add about 300 ml of water. It turned it on, but it's taking a while to boil. Luckily, this pot works on the stove too, so I'll use that for now. I'll keep practicing with the hot plate. Thank you, Natasha Lifeson, for the tip. Now let's prep the Shirataki noodles. I prepared about 450 grams, but it was a little too much. 300 grams is just right. Any noodles you like work great too. I personally love Shirataki, it's so healthy. Just snipping the Shirataki into shorter lengths. Back with the pot from the stove. Add some bean sprouts. Add the Shirataki, about 300 grams. If you are using regular noodles, add them at the end. Add 3 pieces of thick fried tofu. It's one of my absolute favorites. I love it even more than regular tofu. Add the miso. This one is from Mom's Care package. I absolutely love mugi miso, barley miso. Add about 500 ml of soy milk. Back with the pot from the stove again. Add consomme powder, salt, and black pepper. Honestly, the miso was already salty enough. Go easy on the salt. But black pepper, add as much as you like. Add loads of cheese. I absolutely love cheese. Snip some green onions with scissors and add them in. The green color is so beautiful. Back from the stove. Time to add an egg. Now let's prepare the birthday ice cream cake. Which plate should I use? Today is my birthday, May 16th. I wanted to look my best, so I haven't eaten my beloved ice cream even once since May until today. And then Yamo23-san said, you definitely deserve lots of ice cream if you're waiting so long to have some Joe-san. And Natasha Lifeson agreed. I agree, Yamo. I wouldn't be able to have it in the freezer for that long. Today I'm eating all the ice cream. I've got 3 of my favorite Meiji Esso Super Cup ready to go. Vanilla, chocolate mint, and chocolate cookie. Yesterday, my gym colleague gave me Baird Papaya cream puffs as a birthday present. He's currently prepping for a bodybuilding competition and can't eat sweets himself, but he still went out to buy them for me. Perfect size. I'm going with the cup-shaped plate. Matcha or strawberry? I think matcha suits my birthday ice cream cake better. Add as much ice cream as I like. Top top it with a matcha cream puff. How old am I turning today? I'm turning 38 today. Dr. Staffrey-san, Yalmo 23-san, and Natasha Lau-san all shocked. I never once been guessed my actual age, and Yalmo 23-san feels the same. That makes me so happy. The miso cheese ramen is ready, done. It's my birthday. The camera is pointing at the ramen right as I'm taking my first bite. Let's try that first bite again. It's absolutely delicious. Dr. Staffrey-san said, I'd like to try some green tea ice cream. I saw it the other day. Actually, I wanted to buy matcha ice cream as well, but it was sold out. Let's have matcha ice cream together next time. The ice cream is so delicious, but it's so cold my brain is freezing. I forgot to put a flag on it today. Time to eat the miso cheese ramen too. Super delicious. Miso, cheese, and soy milk, my absolute favorite combination. Thanks to all of you, this has been the most amazing birthday. Thank you to Natasha's Life Sans Kids for celebrating my birthday. I heard that Natasha's Life Sans Kids love watching my YouTube together with her. That made me so incredibly happy. Someday, I hope families all around the world will simply relax and enjoy watching a Japanese woman just cooking, just eating, just happy with food from around the world, and that's what I dream of. Yelmo 23-san, thank you for staying up until midnight to celebrate my birthday with me. Dr. Staffrey-san, thank you for always cheering me on and for celebrating with me today. Natasha's Life-san, thank you for celebrating with me together with your kids. Thank you so much for celebrating my birthday with me today. This is truly the best birthday I've ever had. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. I'd love to cook your dish next. Leave your request in the comments. See you in the next short, long video or live. Thank you as always. I hope you have a wonderful day today too. Thank you so much.